Hey YouTube, please do not give me copyright, okay? Oh, I found a crab! You scared him off! It was Mr. Crabman, you know Crabman? Red one, tiny one in the SpongeBob SquarePants is right below this boulder. We can cook crab then. Why is it playing fucking gay song, bro? No, I mean, it's not gay song, but turning into it. It's a while when we're together. You see the fucking waterfall? That's dope. That's. I don't wanna get swept away. That's the thing.
Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Swept? There we go.
One more second, okay?
Please fast, cause I cannot wait anymore. It's better together. Careful! Oh shit! Everything's slippery here now. Yeah, the update. The camera died in the middle. I'm saying camera died in the middle and I restarted it after 5 minutes, I guess.
Falling here will be very painful.
Oh, tell me about it. Good thing I'm a monkey. That was a wasted joke. Ow!
What's wrong?
No! I stressed too much.
Do more figure skating then.
Huh?
Do more figure skating.
Yeah. No, it kind of slipped and I couldn't hold it. So it took us 34 minutes to get all the way here. And we calculated it's gonna take 30 minutes for us to get from outer to here. Yeah, I think it don't matter anymore.
This is the highlight of our trip.
It is.
No coming back. No idea of a company. No back from this.
There's one more way. Okay, I think that way is a pond at the end, a lake. Pond, not a lake, sorry. Now the thing is, I don't know where to put my bag. Yeah, everything seems dirty. Careful! Everything is slippery. My pants falling down. Ouch! Ouch! Ow! It's not wet yet. You see this thing? This is amazing. Never seen anything more amazing than this. Come up here. I think go from that way. Yeah, that way. Yeah. This is where people do their stuff. Well, Johnny, I don't know about you, but I'm fucking dipping.
Don't get back.
I'll try.
I'll carry it.
Oh, you don't have to.
Yeah.
It's okay, I'll put that. Okay, camera, I'm gonna pause you, and then we're gonna go back.